Now, Channel 3 early warning weather.
Well, we've turned the corner on the wet weather, and we will turn the corner now on the cloudier skies as we're anticipating multiple days of bright sunshine and some pretty comfortable weather as well. So here in the 11 o'clock hour, still some lingering cloudiness, temperatures in the 60s and a range from around 60 in Salisbury and Putnam to 68 in Bridgeport and as well Hartford and Danbury, 64 Chester, 67 currently in Groton. We've got a light northeasterly breeze. 3 to 8 miles an hour, calm already in a few spots. And while today certainly was not oppressively humid, we expect tomorrow the dew point values to go down a little bit more as some drier air filters in on a northerly breeze. And we're going to get to enjoy quite a pleasant stretch. It's not until later in the weekend and early next week that the humidity starts to creep up a bit. So our iCam view currently from Waterbury showing some of those lingering clouds, 64 there in the Brass City, dry as well, really statewide, of course. New London, 67 at the current time. So on the big view here, a lot happened. We've got a stalled frontal boundary to our south. High pressure to the west is going to be building in. So that's going to set the stage for, again, multiple days, a stretch of dry and bright weather here in Connecticut. Initially cool, but trending a little bit warmer as we head into and through the upcoming weekend. Also, in the bottom right-hand part of your screen, that is Hurricane Earl. So we've got 3 areas that we're monitoring across the Atlantic Basin. Danielle in the northern Atlantic, moving further north and of no threat to land or of any issue there. A little bit farther east and southeast from there off the coast of Africa. In the middle of the Atlantic is where we find another disturbance that could become a depression soon. And then we've got again Earl close to the east coast, but not heading in our direction. It is a Category 2 hurricane. There is Bermuda, and as we head through the day tomorrow, the center of the storm forecast to stay and pass to the southeast of the island, and certainly again no threat to the east coast. But this could become our first major hurricane of the year. It's forecast to do so. Of course, that means Category 3 or stronger. This forecast actually brings it up to Category 4 strength as we head forward in time. So here in Connecticut tonight, becoming partly cloudy. Cloud cover continues to erode. We'll bottom out in the upper 50s inland, close to 60 along the Connecticut shoreline, and any lingering cloud cover tomorrow morning will give way to a clearing trend. Those clouds erode. We'll see a plentiful amount of sunshine through the rest of our Thursday. Highs tomorrow closer to what we consider typical or average for this time of year as temperatures peak in the upper 70s. Then for our Friday, again, a day like tomorrow, ample sunshine. That will be the case as well as we head into and through the upcoming weekend. Say mostly sunny for Saturday as well for Sunday. So over the weekend, we are going to trend a little bit warmer. So the next couple of nights, lows in the 50s, near if not above 80 by Friday afternoon, mid-80s for Saturday and Sunday. Overnight lows transition from the 50s into the 60s. And next week, looking to start off dry and seasonably warm, upper 70s and low 80s Monday. Our next chance for rain comes with an approaching frontal system late Tuesday into Wednesday of next week. So nearly a week separating the rain that we had yesterday from the rain that we're anticipating next week. Shoreline highs this weekend, low 80s for both days.
Okay, Mark, thank you.